Kung saan yung release na yan, saan tayo naglalakad ngayon, dyan dadaan ng train mamaya. Again, this is Dudoy, kasama natin si... At andito tayo ngayon sa Maeklong. Maeklong Railway Market. Ayan. So this is isa sa mga tourist attraction dito yan sa Thailand. Tara, hintayin natin yung train. Yes, dadaan yan dito mamaya. Sa kung saan kami naglalakad ngayon ni Duday, yan dadaan yan dito. So, hello guys. So right now we're here in Maeklong, here in Thailand, the famous railway market, and the train is coming from there. And so the train will be cruising and it will be traveling all the way there. So if you notice if you notice in here, medyo masikip, di ba? Pero dito dadaan mamaya ang train. This is one of the famous tourist attraction that they have here in Thailand. Amazing, isn't it? There's like a restaurant just right beside the railway station. At ayan. At ayan, meron din namang marketplace where you could be able to buy different souvenirs. Hello, Duday! And there's a coffee shop. Take note, diyan ka nakaupo at yan yung release. So how amazing can that really be, diba? So there's a lot of shop that you could see here in Maeklong Railway Market. And ang daming souvenir. Ang daming pwedeng... So, yan. So, there's also ice cream shops in here. Food and restaurant like menu Thai food. Yan yung mga pad Thai, mga tom yum kong, papaya salad. And so, masyadong dikit talaga. So, ito mamaya, itong mga nakaharang na ito, nakikita nyo, mamaya mapapansin mo, yung mga vendor, tatanggalin po nila yan lahat. Because dadaan mo na yung train, after dumaan ng train, at ayan na, ay babalik naman nila uli yan. So, ayan. So, there's a lot of shops in here. And there are bags. Ang dami, marami. Look at it, guys. There goes the train. One of the most tourist attraction here in Thailand. Amazing. Yes, it's an amazing experience, guys. Mommy. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. See? Pino gano close and personal. Up close and personal with the train. There you go, guys. Look at that. Look at this experience. Amazing, right? It's really an amazing experience. Ayan, guys, yung train. Look at that. Look at that. Look how near it is. This is where I'm standing. And this is the train. Ayan na. Look at this experience, guys. A much awaited experience here in Thailand. Ayan na po. At ito na ang dulo ng train. There you go. Bye, train. We are here right now in Maeklong Railway Market here in Bangkok, Thailand. Amazing. Bye, train. Bye, choo-choo train.